guy, Pitt. Here he is with another cut of beef.
Here's your whole bone-in chuck with a neck on. We're gonna bone out your flat iron. This is your flat iron that we pulled off. We're getting down to the bottom here, or getting down to a trimmed up flat iron. There's a lot of connective tissue that has to be cleaned up. So here's your trimmed up flat iron. It can be cut into steaks this way. It can be left as a roast, but we are going to split this in half and pull out the piece of gristle in the middle. River, here's your flat irons trimmed up, ready for your grill.
When you're dealing directly with the rancher and the processor, you get exactly what you want. Like this flat iron steak with blue cheese crumbles.